the Earth's climate is changing. Each year, there are more extreme weather events such as floods, hurricanes, and forest fires. These can have serious consequences for people and animals. Scientists agree that the changes in Earth's climate have been caused by human actions. Sustainable Development Goal 13 is about solving the problem of climate change. When humans do things like burn coal or cut down forests, there is an effect on the planet. Harmful gases are released into the atmosphere. These gases make the planet warmer. People and animals are losing their homes because of these changes. What can we do about these problems? We can stop using gas in our cars and in our homes. We can switch to renewable energies such as solar and wind power. We can change the way we eat by choosing locally grown food. We can recycle, plant trees, and avoid making waste. If humans caused climate change, then humans must fix it.